Rabia. Nahuli siya, guys. This is for Rabia. Gift. And thank you, Rabia. See, look at. Basahin natin yung message ni Rabia. Ito yung message ni Rabia. Ang message ni Rabia. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Happy birthday, Ate Tess. From Rabia. Thank you, Rabia. Thank you sa pa-flower. Thank you so much. Inahin ko to si April. Thank you. Kailangan ko siya Yeah, charan! What is this? Wow! Oh my God! I like it! My face! Oh, I love it. This is my mug. Thank you, April Ann. Amazing. Oh my God. This is nice. Wow. Thank you, April. Thank you. May pang-coffee na ako, but mayroon pa akong face. Oh my God, it's me, guys. It's me. Thank you. Next, this is for my Junag. Oh my God. Kain kayo dyan. Nag-unboxing muna ako, guys. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Trisha. My Junakis, thank you sa gift. Oh my God, I like it. Ano to? Sling bag, guys. Small bag. Oh my God. I love it. Wow, so cute. Nice. Wow, there's a lot of compartment, guys. Ano ito? Ano? Thank you, Trisha. Thank you. Next. This is for Hanilyn. Ito kay Hanilyn. Surprise ako sa gift nila, guys. Oh my G. Thank you. It's perfume again. It's perfume again, guys. Wow! Ayan, I'm a lot of perfume. Next. This is for Glenda. Happy ang bata, para rin akong bata. Oh, this is perfume again, guys, from Dahlia. This is from Dahlia perfume, guys. But this is, I like, guys. I love this smell. This is for Ajmal. Thank you, Ajmal. Thank you, anak. Thank you sa regalo mo. Oh my God, dami kong pabango. Alam nila, addicted ako sa pabango. Oh my God. It's perfume also. Oh my God, this is... Ano sila? Sponsor sila from Rasasi. It's all from Rasasi, guys. Oh my God, sponsor siguro sila sa Rasasi. Sponsor sila. Eto, thank you for Manilyn. This is for Manilyn. See? May mga message pa sila, guys, oh. Ang sabi dito ni Manilyn, Ate Tess, happy birthday. Salamat sa pagtawag kay Kalbo. Nagkabalikan na nga kami. Ulit kami. Tapos thanks sa inyo ni Ate April. Pati na din kami ni Hanilyn. Mabuhay. Mabuhay ka pa ng matagal. Grabe sila. Ay. Oh, wow! I like it! Oh my God! Hindi pa, nag-vlog pa. I like it! This is the... Oh, I like this one, guys. Thank you, Manilyn. Nasaan yung po? Wala po kayo nakapos. Excited! Excited sila! Excited! So this is for Manilyn. Thank you, Manilyn. I love you. This is for Irene. This is for Irene. Sabi dito sa message ni Irene, guys. Dear Ate Tess. Para sa nagpadala ng sulat, ano? Dear Ate Tess, happy birthday. Humayo ka at magpakarami. Makahanap ka sana ng malaki. Oh my God, guys! Nakakatuwa sila. Wow! Again! Thank you, Irene! Thank you so much. This is the one I like it, guys. Nakakatuwa. Okay, this is for Jen. Very excited ako dito kay Jen. This is for Jenica. Thank you, Jenica. Love you all. Ito. Dear Ate Tess. Para silang si si Helen Bella. Nagpadala sila ng sulat. Happy birthday. First of all, I would like to... First of all, una sa lahat. Mahal kita. Mabuhay ka pa ng matagal. Go and find mga ano talaga to, mga ano, guys. Wow! My God, ang dami tatlo. Oh. I like. Thank you. Oh my God, tatlong kulay. Yay! I like it. Pareho na tayo. So now, anak po, naiwan ni Ate Helen yung eyeglass. Ate Helen, you need to come back here. Naiwan yung eyeglass. So, this is for Ate Helen. Wow! Raspberry from saan to yan? Massage oil. This is nice also, guys. Thank you, Ate Helen. And also, I have scarf. This is scarf. Thank you. So, meron akong scarf din, guys. So, panglamig na to siya, guys. Another laban. Oh my God, this is the kay Liz. This is for Les. Thank you, Liz. Hindi ko pa nga nakita. Oh my God! Parang alam ko to. Thank you, Liz. Oh my God. Alam ko to, guys. Kasi paninda namin to, guys. Paninda kasi namin to. Nag-reserve ako dito kasi I like also, guys. Nare-reserve ko. Kinuha nila sa reservation ko, guys. So, yon. Thank you, Liz. Thank you. And last but not the least. Thank you, Sir Amin, sa ano mo, para sasi mo din. Dami nilang sponsor sa Rasasi. Puro Rasasi yung perfume ko, guys. Isa lang yung Dahlia. Charan! Feeling Rasasi. Isan, guys. Puro sila Rasasi lahat, guys. Ayun. Thank you. Nakadalaw si Sir Amin ng perfume. Ay. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you sa mga parigalo. Yan lang, guys. So, you. Please, Rabia. Rabia pa flowers sa Rabia sa akin. Si Manilyn, Jinica, Irene, Glenda, April, and Trisha, and Hanilyn Boy. Thank you, and Mr. Amin, thank you so much. And salamat. Thank you so much, may salamat man. I hope you like this video, guys. Bye! Mama! Bye! Stay safe, everyone!